Hey everybody, and welcome back to another WTSO unboxing. Today we're doing a Pinot Noir, which is an awesome wine for the holidays. Pinot Noir is known as the Heartbreak Grape.
Why?
For winemakers, it's notoriously hard to grow. It originates in Burgundy, France, and it only seems to want to grow there.
So does that mean you can only get it from Burgundy?
No, but in order to make good Pinot Noir, you have to find a climate that's similar to Burgundy. And this one is from California, specifically Mendocino County, and within Mendocino County is the Anderson Valley. The Anderson Valley is almost a coastal region in California, so it's very cool, which is great for Pinot Noir. And I think we've talked about this in other videos before, but this area of California used to be well known for redwood logging, sheep farming, and apples.
Doesn't smell like apples, does it?
You know, power of suggestion. And good, cool climate Pinot Noir almost always smells like cranberries to me, and rose petals as well.
All right, what say you?
It's tart and light, something that surprises people who drink heavy red wines. A lot of people think it's watery, but that's just the nature of the grape. Strong acidity makes my mouth water, which is a hallmark of Pinot Noir. Tart cranberry. And yeah, there's maybe some of that apple in there. One of the things that I love about a good Pinot Noir is that as it ages, it starts to get very earthy. And people always say, what does that mean? There's a smell this time of year, actually, right now. The smell of leaves kind of falling and sitting on the ground. It smells a little bit sweet. I get that out of a good Pinot Noir. And we should talk about the name Negociant here. In France, Negociant is like a middleman. You have the people who grow the grapes, and then you have the winemaker. Negociant is the person who goes in between, like a broker. And this winery here is sourcing their grapes from some of those smaller producers, so hence the term Negociant. And because Pinot Noir is fairly light, they don't typically see a lot of oak aging. So this one is only aged in 30% new French oak for 10 months. Got another one. These little mats.
I think they don't drink much.
Perfect pairing.
So food pairings.
Food pairings. Well, there are certain things that are classic with Pinot Noir. One of them, believe it or not, is mustard. Dijon salmon is a classic pairing with a Pinot Noir like this. There's a pretty awesome dish. It's so easy to make too. My wife and I made it for dinner last night. I think it's from Food and Wine magazine. And it's your pasta of choice with pork sausage crumbles and a little bit of Dijon mustard and cream in there.
I missed the invite on that one.
It's amazing.
You said holidays too. How about something like a turkey dinner?
Yeah, absolutely. With Thanksgiving dinner, even the sides too. You suggested a slice of pumpkin pie, which I thought would be awesome. That would really bring out the spices in there.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's nice.
Sexy. There's a really delicious and classic cool climate Pinot Noir from California, Mendocino County, Anderson Valley. Remember that location, and of course, if you want to get this wine, go to WTSO. We unboxed a full case of wines from WTSO, so there are 11 others to go back and check out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for drinking with me today. I'll see you soon. Cheers.